In previous episode I bought a scooter, a Hyosung Sense from 2001, which I bought on Tradera, an auction site, and I picked it up, and this is the continuation of how that went. Here I am picking it up and getting it into the car. Toyota Starlet, pretty full. The tires are fresh, and there were no fuel in it. The seller said that it did start, but it didn't run well at all. So it's been standing like 4 years or something, and then he tried it this summer. So anyway, I'm gonna try to see if I can get it working or find the problems with it, and we'll go from there. This is episode 3 in this series. Next I'm gonna remove the clutch and grease up the bearing inside it. Let's take a look. Looks to be in good condition. A lot of crap there. Yeah, looks a bit dry in there. So it's about time to grease it up a bit. Just gonna remove the old grease with some paper and then put some new one in. Pretty dry. It's a Germany bearing. F-222625. Using this grease. It's a good grease, I think. It's a messy job, but somebody's got to do it. So we're getting something down there. If I should do this thoroughly, I should remove this also. This, and then grease the parts inside here. But I'm not gonna do that now. I just want to make sure that the normal bearing is, because this is known to fail sometimes. And this can get worn also, but then it's time to replace the whole clutch. But it looks fresh. The pieces here, GAO 32 something SD50. Again using this one, Moose 2. Sorry, I'm using this one, Moose 2. Just applying. Not too much. Yeah, so everything is greased up. Just gonna put it back. See if we can get this on. Probably a hassle. Okay. I'll show you when it's there. The belt is in pretty bad shape, starting to crack. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to crack it too much, but it's time to replace it, but it will last a bit while longer, and I haven't got one anyway, so. What's now? Why doesn't it go on? There we go. Gonna grease this also before put it back, and of course we have to do this also, but I'm gonna clean this a bit more before I continue. This just goes on there, of course, and it's been cleaned. Just gonna remove some excess grease and then we'll put it back. This part of course can't have any grease, it's like a break here, so yeah. And I've already greased it up a bit. I'm gonna impact wrench it back, tighten it max, a finger, make sure this goes the right way. Don't want to overdo it. Fuel drain there, so you can shut it off, and then we have the filter after, so I can replace that by closing it. It's a China one, it's a bit tight. I don't know, it doesn't feel good. See how long they last, but it's servable. You can remove the screws here and probably replace that O-ring or something that is bad. Let's see if it will have a tendency to start. Yeah, but no idle. So the carburetor looks really wet. What's up with that? It's dripping. You see that? Something is leaking here. Yeah, it's definitely leaking something. I just dry this up and it's coming fuel there. So I don't know if the gasket is bad or if it shouldn't be that high either, you know, the float. And I thought it was maybe overflowing in this one, but yeah. Wonder what this might be. I dried this up recently and it's just the same. So I have to remove the carburetor and check it again. See if I find something obvious. Something is definitely leaking there. Either from the screw there. Should maybe be a gasket there. There is a rubber gasket between there, but definitely getting too wet. So the more you look, the more you find. This is an outlet for the cylinder, and it's a lot of grease here. So I wonder what that's all about. It's a lot of crap here. Strange. So it might be something more than just the carburetor. Carburetor is out. Should there be a gasket here? Yes, I think so. Big backlight, maybe. Got a lot of oil coming somewhere. Just might have to remove, let this one down, then you get more access. You could heighten it up a bit more. Okay, for now the plan is to just try another carburetor. I got another one, I got a new one of this also. This is from a Kimco ZX and it looks similar, so why not try it, see if we get some other response. Just gonna compare. It's probably different sizes of pilot airs and so on, and main jets and so on, but hey, why not try it? See, this doesn't leak, at least I think. We'll see. The shape on this one is a bit different. It's the same length, I think, but it's wider. It's got a bigger needle on this one, and it goes further down. So this is leaner. Hey, let's try it. Doesn't want to do. We'll see if we get an idle at least. This one is also leaking. You can see the drop there on its way. Strange. This is the other carburetor. Give it a try. Goes better with this one. But why is it leaking? Completely dead. No. From pretty good to pretty bad. Well, since I can't get it started, I start with another thing, just to get my mind on other things. And get this, so you gotta sort of lift it up, with the screwdriver. And then you got 3 bolts. You got one here and 2 on the other side. I noticed this didn't seem to function when I turned the light on when I tried to start it. And I think one of these were working, so just gonna check them out, see if I can find replacement bulbs. Strange thing is I can't see anything wrong with them. Looks okay to me. I'll just have to measure it. Focus. Yeah, you have to trust me. Gonna check the instrument light also. Looks like it's 2 of them. Anyway, we're back at testing spark. Feels like I've lost it somehow. Yeah, it's pretty dim light, but it's for you to see it. Yeah, we got spark. Hope you see it. Why doesn't it? You can see that it's wet, looking good. So what is wrong now? Anyway, I decided it doesn't want to start anymore, so probably I'm gonna try replace it with a new one, with a new cheap one from Amazon that I bought for my other Kimco that got where parts and throttle wire and so on was cut and the carburetor was stolen, so I bought a new one for that one, but I haven't fixed that one yet, so I'm gonna try it out here, see if we get better results. New carburetor is in place, doesn't leak yet, that's a good sign. I'll give this a try and then I'll give up for today. If it doesn't work, it's probably too much fuel or something inside the cylinder. Give it a try. No leaks so far. Good. Success. So far, so good. Yes. How to check the bulb if it's okay. I put it on the sound. That's the signal you want. Okay, lamp is okay. Used to be okay. Just push it back in. Can even do it with one hand. And put it back. There we go. So, is it fixed? I don't think so. Something's telling me that there's way too much crap down here. I think I said it before. I'm gonna show you again. It's way too much crap. I removed pretty much so far. You can see this should be pretty dry or just normal crap. But it's oily, so it's probably got some leak or something wrong here when it gets warmer. Let's see.
Savoring this moment, is this our last goodbye? Whether we lend each other, I guess one of us lied. So please just pull away. I can't look you in the face.